A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important question which is of 5 marks and asked in a previous board exam. The question is about describe the biotechnology in the field of medicine with 2 examples. So in the book, this is also given. There are 2 examples or of the biotechnology or how the biotechnology used in curing the different disease, as in case of insulin or diabetes, as in case of diabetes or as in case of adenosine ADA deficiency. Now discuss करते हैं with the insulin. Insulin hormone formation. First is the formation of insulin hormone. Insulin hormone. Formation of insulin hormone. As we know that insulin hormone is synthesized in human bodies, but the major role of insulin hormone is they lowering down the blood glucose level by deposition of or conversion or storage of these glucose molecule in the form of glycogen or in the form of fat in the hepatocyte cell or in the adipose tissue. So adipocyte cells, they increase the utilization of glucose molecule by hepatocyte or by adipocytes, so that the blood glucose level lower by the insulin hormone. If any human for example, if any human is not generally have insulin hormone, or there is no formation of insulin hormone in the beta cells of their pancreas, so or if they use in daily diet the more carbohydrate in daily diet, so that the glucose level increases and fat and the liver become fatty. What happen in both the cases? If beta cells are not able to synthesize the insulin hormone, so insulin hormone जब synthesize नहीं होगा beta cell से, so the person or patient is not able to convert the glucose molecule or carbohydrate in the storage form, so that almost all glucose molecule present in their in their blood, or overall due to the increase of blood glucose level, finally the glucose converted into ketone bodies. These ketone bodies are highly toxic to the patient. If the patient generally they are able to synthesize the insulin hormone in the beta cell, but the liver become fatty, so that the cells of liver are not able to receive the hormone, so that the hormone cannot able to give command to the hepatocyte cell, so that hepatocyte cells are unable to transfer the glucose molecule into the glycogen, or store the glucose molecule into the glycogen, and same as in hepatocyte cell, they are unable to convert the glucose molecule into the fat. So this takes place into the diabetes, in which the blood glucose, the normal function of insulin hormone, that they act on the hepatocyte cell. Here is act on 2 cells. Here the hepatocyte cell, and here is adipocytes. When they act on the insulin hormone, act on the adipocytes and hepatocyte, they increase the utilization of glucose molecule in both the cells. Finally, due to the utilization of glucose molecule, they convert the glucose into the glycogen. Similarly, when they act on the insulin act on the adipocyte cell, so in the adipocyte they utilize glucose and convert this glucose into the fat. तो फैट का फॉर्मेशन होगा बाय इंसुलिन हार्मोन. If the person are unable to synthesize the insulin hormone, so the glucose molecule cannot be converted into the glycogen or fat. so that blood glucose level high, glucose level high in the blood, and finally form ketone bodies, ketone bodies. So that the due to the formation of ketone bodies, the overall these causes the diabetes mellitus, or diabetes mellitus can be treated, or insipidus. There are two type of diabetes in which the diabetes mellitus is caused by when the insulin generally not unable to act on the hepatocyte or adipocyte, because the receptors are unable to receive the insulin hormone, and the insipidus is caused by the lack of insulin hormone. So this is caused by the lack of insulin hormone, in which the insulin injection give the person which have diabetes can be treated by the insulin hormone. So insulin hormone and some medicines also in case of diabetes mellitus. But if the patient have the diabetes insipidus, so the patient with diabetes insipidus treated by the insulin hormone. Where is insulin hormone? हमें बहुत सारे इंसुलिन हार्मोन जनरली फॉर्म किए जा रहे हैं मेडिकल पर्पस से, और इंसुलिन इंजेक्शंस या प्रिपेयर किए जा रहे हैं. तो दैट इंसुलिन इंजेक्शन इज प्रिपेयर एक्चुअली हैव द ह्यूमन इंसुलिन हार्मोन. बट in previous time, the insulin hormone obtained from the pancreas of pig and cattle. Now a day the pancreas, the insulin which are obtained from the pancreas, or which was obtained from the pancreas and the pancreas of the pig and cattle, are causes the allergic response in the different, because they trigger the immune response, so that the patients become allergic to the insulin hormone. वो इतने इफेक्टिव नहीं थे, बिकॉज दे एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द पैनक्रियाज ऑफ पिग एंड कैटल. But now present time we are using the insulin injection that is formed by, that actually have the human insulin, that is formed by or prepared by the human gene. So they वहाँ पे क्या, इस केस में क्या होगा, जो इंसुलिन हार्मोन ह्यूमन जीन से प्रिपेयर किया जा रहा है, तो वो एलर्जिक रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देंगे. And these insulin hormone prepared by the process of biotechnology, because the beta cells in the human the beta cells of pancreas, the beta cells of pancreas prepare the insulin hormone in human. But here is the beta cell of pancreas. In the beta cell of pancreas, here is DNA double helical structure which undergoes in transcription. After the transcription, mRNA formed by the transcription process, and then protein formed by the gene which is present, insulin gene which is present in the DNA molecule. But generally this protein have the 3 chain polypeptide chain. Protein is formed by the 3 polypeptide chain A, C and B. C is present in between the A and B. So the structure of insulin hormone, that is as a prohormone is containing 3 polypeptide chain, that is protein formed by 3 polypeptide chain A, chain B. In between the chain A and chain B is chain C. Now the protein, we have already known that protein synthesized in rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then the rough endoplasmic reticulum form the vesicles, enclose this protein into the vesicle and transfer it to the Golgi body. Now Golgi body undergoes in sorting process, and by the sorting process, the C peptide is removed from the prohormone. Now the B, A and B chain connected with each other by a disulfide base, and here is now the prohormone is converted into the hormone. that is insulin. Now this insulin is able to perform their function. That is, functional insulin is formed by the prohormone. First, the protein is synthesized in the form of prohormone, in which the polypeptide A, C and B. The C is removed by the Golgi body by the sorting process, and A and B connected with the disulfide base through the disulfide base, and now the prohormone converted into the active hormone or mature hormone. So here is mature hormone, that is insulin hormone. Now the insulin hormone transfer into the blood vessel. Through the blood vessels or through the blood flow, they transfer into the hepatic cell or also into the adipocyte cell, adipose tissue. Finally, they act on the those cells and utilize the increase the utilization of these two cells, glucose molecule in these two cells. Now, this function takes place. All this function takes place in the to prepare the insulin hormone inside through the biotechnology with the help of E. coli bacteria. Here is because there is also C peptide in the E. coli bacteria. The gene is polycistronic gene, so they are not able to because in the prokaryotic cell there is no any phenomena of sorting process. If we transfer the whole gene of insulin hormone into the bacterial cell, they also synthesize the C peptide also. A, B and C. But if the C peptide is present, the insulin is not so effective and cannot perform their function. But here in the biotechnology, we need to exclude the C peptide from the insulin hormone. So there is need for the sorting process, because in the prokaryotic cell there is no any phenomena of sorting of protein or sorting of peptide. If we transfer the gene of A separately and अगर हम पूरे जीन के बजाय अगर gene of A peptide and gene of B peptide transfer into a different bacteria, then isolate that polypeptide from the bacteria, and after the isolation, then in the vitro process, these two A and B can bind with each other by disulfide bond. So this process is known as this process finally the mature insulin hormone formed through the biotechnology process. So here is the function of the biotechnology in the formation of. Now let us discuss about how the whole process takes place. Finally, the gene of A polypeptide chain of insulin hormone transfer into the bacteria, for example, A bacteria or E. coli, and the gene of B polypeptide, chain of insulin hormone transfer into the B bacteria, B or B E. coli. B. E. coli, here is the function. Now the isolation of these the polypeptide A, which is synthesized by the A bacteria, E. coli, and the B polypeptide peptide isolate from the B bacteria or E. coli. Now there is after the isolation, then ligation or addition of these two polypeptide chain with each other by disulfide base. Isolation of these two polypeptide chain from the bacteria, from the different bacteria, from the A and B bacteria, from the A and B bacteria. After the isolation, then the step is ligation of these two chain with each other, and also there is formation of disulfide base in between the two chain. Ligation of these two chains, and after ligation of these two chains, and then formation of disulfide base. Disulfide base in between the both A polypeptide and B polypeptide. Now the finally the insulin hormone form. Insulin hormone form after formation of disulfide base. Formation of disulfide base. Now this is the function of these two function of the biotechnology in the preparation of insulin hormone. And now the insulin hormone, which is prepared in the laboratory with the help of microorganism, that E. coli bacteria, and then transfer in the form of injection. Now next example is treatment of gene therapy. Second example is gene therapy. जीन थेरेपी कैसे करते हैं ये? द जीन थेरेपी is the treatment of patient with the help of gene and introduction of functional gene. If any gene inside the patient's cell are unable to perform their function or become non-functional, these gene is replaced by with the help of biotechnology and introduce the functional gene inside the cell of these patient. Example is ADA deficiency, as in ADA deficiency. Now ADA deficiency, adenosine deaminase. The adenosine deaminase deficiency can be treated by the introduction of functional gene with the help of retrovirus in the lymphocyte cells, and so that the patient can perform so that the lymphocyte cell inside the patient can perform their function as normal cell do, as normal lymphocyte cell do. Now if the gene therapy was first introduced in the done in the 4-year child in 1990. 4 years old child, girl child में ये किया गया था. And this can be treated, the adenosine deaminase deficiency या ADA deficiency can be treated by the bone marrow transplantation. Bone marrow transplantation. The gene therapy, because the non-functional, सबसे पहले इसमें क्या जाता है, because adenosine deaminase present in the lymphocyte cells. Adenosine deaminase perform their and lymphocyte cells with the help of adenosine deaminase perform their function, perform their जो इम्यून में ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्ले करते हैं, बिकॉज दे हेल्प इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज एंड ऑल्सो सम lymphocytes, T lymphocytes. They target the or prepare the toxins and then target the different viruses or easily destroy the different viruses. Now, if a patient they have non-functional gene, so adenosine deaminase is an enzyme which is not synthesized in the lymphocytes of that person or that patient. So finally there is isolation of lymphocyte, in the gene therapy, isolation of lymphocytes, then introduction of functional gene into the lymphocyte cell. This is the function into the lymphocyte cell. When through the gene therapy, when functional gene introduced into the lymphocyte cell, the lymphocyte cell able to form adenosine deaminase enzyme. Adenosine deaminase enzyme. Adenosine deaminase enzyme. Now, persons, because they are synthesized in lymphocyte cell, now lymphocyte cells are able to perform their function. So this process, the whole process utilized in the gene therapy, in which bone marrow, the adenosine deaminase can be also treated by the transplantation of bone marrow, but this can be also treated by the gene therapy. In the gene therapy process, the lymphocyte isolated from the patient, and there is introduction, because their adenosine deaminase genes are non-functional or are unable to perform their function. So isolate the lymphocyte cell from the patient, and there is introduction of genes into the lymphocyte, that is functional gene into the lymphocyte cell, and lymphocyte cells are able to perform their function, that is synthesize the adenosine deaminase enzyme inside the cells and help in the immunity process, and give immunity to the patient. Now, in the whole process, there is a introduction of cDNA, circular DNA, with the help of cDNA, with the help of retrovirus. रेट्रोवायरस की हेल्प से हम cDNA को ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं एडिनोसिन ADA-cDNA are able to perform their function and synthesize the adenosine deaminase enzyme inside the cell of girl or inside the cell of patient. Now, as we already know that retroviruses only transfer the genetic material, that is RNA, into the cell, only they infect the lymphocyte cells. So during the infection, they only transfer their genetic material, and the lymphocyte cells, guided by the RNA which is transferred by the viruses, and the lymphocyte repair the virus protein or viral protein, and also synthesize the viruses inside the cell. So through the biotechnology, the retrovirus used for the introduction of the desired gene, that is introduction of the ADA-cDNA, adenosine deaminase cDNA. When these DNA transfer into the lymphocyte cell, now the lymphocyte cells have the functional ADA-DNA. So the ADA-DNA, after the transcription and translation, finally synthesize the enzyme which is adenosine deaminase and thus perform their function. The whole process is gene therapy is like that. Now the quick revision कर लेते हैं what we have studied in the today's class, and answer of the this question is, the first is biotechnology use और medicinal field में कैसे use किया जाता है. First, in the synthesis of the insulin hormone. Insulin hormone inside the cell is synthesized in the as a pro-hormone, then undergoes a sorting process by the Golgi body, and thereafter the cDNA is removed from the pro-hormone, and the pro-hormone converted into the active hormone. Now active hormone act on the hepatocyte and adipocytes, and they increase the utilization of glucose molecule into these cells, hepatocyte and adipocytes. Or finally, the hepatocyte convert the glucose molecule in the glycogen, or store the glucose in the form of glycogen, and adipocyte store the glucose in the form of fat. If the patients are unable to synthesize if the patients lack the beta cells, because genetically they lack the beta cells, so this kind of in that time they are unable to synthesize the insulin hormone, so that the blood glucose level increases inside the blood. Thereafter this can be, अगर the blood glucose level increase कर जाएगा, the insulin, the disease is known as diabetes insipidus. So the जो glucose molecule है as such ये रहेंगे, और then the diabetes insipidus can be treated by the insulin hormone. The insulin hormone already available in the form of injections, that is human insulin. So that human insulin कैसे prepare करा जाएगा? Through the biotechnology process. These human insulin actually formed by the human gene. There is isolation of human genome, then introduction of this human genome into the bacteria, because we have already know the bacteria replicate after 20 minutes. So they undergoes in replication process or cell division process, multiplication process, and thereafter we obtain the huge quantity of the insulin hormone by the bacteria. But there is need to isolate the functional gene from the human cell, then the functional gene of A and B gene, because in the bacteria there is no any sorting process. So we transfer the separate gene into the other bacteria. For example, A gene for the for formation of A peptide, and B gene for the formation of B peptide. Then isolation of the protein polypeptide synthesized by the bacteria, done in the laboratory or in vitro process. Finally, ligation of these two chains by the disulfide base, and this functional insulin, which is a human insulin, is now prepared in the laboratory. And now second is gene therapy. Gene therapy is a process. First gene therapy is done in 1990 में on the 4-year-old child पे, and then example ADA deficiency. As in case of ADA deficiency, the ADA deficiency can be treated with the introduction of the functional gene into the lymphocyte cell, then in lymphocyte cell insert into the patient or transfer into the patient. Now patient have the functional lymphocyte cell which have ability to prepare the ADA, adenosine deaminase enzyme inside the cell. Now when adenosine deaminase, there is need for a transfer of adenosine deaminase gene cDNA in the form of cDNA transfer with the help of retroviruses. Retroviruses help viruses ability to transfer their genetic material inside the lymphocyte cell, because as we know, as in case of AIDS, there is also a retrovirus, is a form of retrovirus, in which they transfer their genetic material or RNA inside the lymphocyte cell or T lymphocyte cells. And finally, the T lymphocyte cell guided by the RNA for production of their viral protein. And finally, the viral T lymphocyte cell act as a virus factory, because they synthesize the viral inside the cell with the help of gene which is transferred by the retrovirus. Same method utilized for the transfer of functional gene of adenosine deaminase, transfer with the help of retrovirus into the lymphocyte cell. Now, lymphocyte cell have functional gene for synthesis of the adenosine deaminase enzyme. Now, the lymphocytes are able to synthesize the adenosine deaminase, and they is an enzyme which form by which they perform their function. So this is the whole answer of the question. Now हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू.